Hi, I'm Sejal, founder and creative director of Milestone Dubai. Have you just bought a new property? Have many ideas but are so confused how to put these ideas into reality? You need an interior landscape and pool designer to help you through this process. We are happy to view your property, hear out your ideas, and share our suggestions to take this process forward. We meet you on site to view and hear your ideas. Engage in a design contract. Brief my team to make design in our design office in Al Quoz with mood boards, 3Ds, and presentation. Quantity estimator makes the quotation. Once the presentation is ready, the client visits our office to view the presentation and see materials in our showroom. Tweak the numbers to suit the client budgets and sign the contract to execute the project. We will later on do detailing and gain the approvals from a developer before going on to the site. Would you need an interior landscape and pool designer to guide you through this process of design? Do give us a call and we'll take you around through to the design process.